Hey, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I want to show you something. I don't need any journals. I don't need any kits. I don't need anything. But every time Lynette puts out a new collection, I have to have it. I just can't. It's like I tell myself I'm not even going to go look. But I do, and I get one. And I love them. It's like my, I don't know, guilty pleasure. I don't know. I just love these things. I will link her channel and her store, and she has videos throughout the month. I think she's doing these every 6 weeks now. She has videos throughout the weeks showing her working in it and what she's doing with certain things that are in the kit, or certain you know, adding stuff from her stash, and just really cool things. So it's fun, and then she has a design team, and it's fun watching what they're doing with it too. But if you don't know, it comes, the book is made, the pages are in the book and the cover's on it, and it has it came with this and this, and then this fabric here, and then I added the rest of the stuff. But it comes complete. I mean, it's ready to go. Then it comes with a kit with it that has all kinds of stuff. I mean, I've probably done, I would guess I've done about 10 of these over the couple of years, maybe more, but I've never used all the stuff that comes with it. I mean, there's an enormous amount of goodies that come, and then you can buy extra stuff if you actually need that. But anyway, I just want to show you real quick. Oh, and this one had a little, I think she called it a bead kit, but it had beads, jump rings, eye pins, clips, and these little, let me see what, these things right here. They're just open, and you stick your ribbons or fabric or papers or cards or, you know, whatever in it, and it closes. It's like a clamp. I hope you can see what I'm... Anyway, so it was just something I've never seen in one of her kits before, and so I made some little ribbony things to put in, and it came with bulb pins. So I used quite a bit of stuff. I'm trying to think of what all. And here's another one. Where are you? Anyway, just fun. Okay, so moving along. This is a gift, and plant kindness. You know, you meet these people, or you know these people that are just kind. They just are. And this lady is very inspirational to me, and her, well, in many areas of her life, but her garden, her backyard, her flower beds, and it's just, you know, for years and years I've gone and just, you know, sit out and have a cup of coffee and just look at her yard. So she inspired me again this spring, and we did some really cool stuff in our yard, kind of like something she did, and it's beautiful. And so I wanted to do this as a thank you, and then also because it's fun. She could put all of her, you know, ideas for next year's flower beds and plantings, and she also has lots of I don't want to say yard art, but like statues and bird baths and wind chimes, and just pretty. So she could add photographs. There's tons of room left. It was so hard not to do something on every page, just so hard. But I wanted to give her room to put photographs and notes and ideas and sketches and all kinds of. So let me see. trying to, I can't see in the viewfinder without my glasses, and the angle I'm looking at the viewfinder, I can't, unless I put my face here, I can't see with, my glasses are in the wrong place, I guess, on my head, on my face. So I'm just trying to do my best here to make sure we're all in here. Anyway, it comes, every kit comes with, or every time I've ever gotten it, came with library card and pocket. And this time she put in some really cool clear, like, I don't want to say vellum stickers. They are like washi stickers. Gorgeous. And then of course I have tons of butterfly cutouts and fussy cut things. So this I cut off, and this, she sends a lovely letter each time, and with it, you know, a letter to us from her heart, and I always cut them up because they're gorgeous, and so I wanted to put that there. And she just started last month, I want to say, and this is a download, a freebie from her Facebook group. She puts 30 scriptures along the topic of whatever the kit is. This is plant kindness, and so I haven't read these yet, but something to do with being kind. So I thought that was really cool, and just add that in here. Alright, let's get moving. I also used, I was going to get the name of it. I will definitely, put it in the description. It's from TaylorMade, and it's a gorgeous, it's not called, I can't remember what it's called, Lavender something. And I printed out several of those pages and adding them throughout, just sporadically, like on a page, because one, I love purple, I love lavender, it's some of my favorite, and it's so springy and so beautiful. I wanted to add it in, and the purple goes really well. So I will link the kit. I cannot remember what it's called, and I was gonna do that before I started yapping, but you know. Okay, and like I said, I tried to leave a lot of stuff empty so that this lady could add in things. And here's some more, these are my stickers, but some of the ones I got recently from Amazon. Little I just said it. They're like washi stickers. So anyway, just a little tag, and these little things here are from that TaylorMade download. When I did not do it, I just did it on plain cardstock, and I didn't do it better. You know, I just printed it, and it's okay. So imagine if you tried how good it would look. It looks kind of faded here, but that's not the kit, it's me. That was me just not paying attention. So, alright. And I love that she puts little odd sized pages in. And here's a envelope made out of a book page, covered with the napkin that was in the kit, and a little button closure. Oh, here's another one of those gorgeous pages, and I put some lace on the front and back cover, and then a few, I think maybe 3. I put some of this pretty purple throughout, just to, you know, I think it's pretty. And I try, when it's lined, I try to leave it so that you really can write on it without You know, some people don't want to write on something. I'll write on anything. I got no problem with that. But I try to leave the lines clear and empty, and I don't know that I've ever done anything on this paper. It's my favorite. I just love it. And so that's that. Okay, lots of little tags and things. More napkin. Decoupage just on some cardstock, I think. Oh, some little tags. Uh-oh. And then this is another one of those lavender papers that I cut up. This was in the kit. It's like a Post-it note. So I just glued it all down where it would stay. I love this trim. It came from BB Craft, B-E-E-B-E-E, like a bumblebee, BB Craft, and I just love it, and it was perfect for this. And then here's another little ribbon charm thing that was really fun to make. This is an old seed packet. I mean, it's never been used, but it is old, as you can see, 20 cents. And this was something I hadn't seen before. She put in, isn't that pretty? Just a little card with added that in there. Inventory tag. This was fun. It is a label. She has leftover paper from the paper she buys, Maggie Holmes, to make the covers and stuff. And she always has leftover, and so she punches and sends several little labels or, you know, little things. And so I just made a, I've never made one of these before, I don't think. It's a messy notepad, I guess. Just different kind of papers, different sizes, and you can just rip it off. You know, jot down your note, rip it off, go to the store, whatever. But I just thought that was fun. And it is like a deli paper, and I glued it onto some just plain copy paper because it needed a little more strength. That's not the right word, but you know. And then this is just a tag from when she cuts the 12 by 12 to fit this size of a thing. There's this piece that's always left over, and she always puts it in, and she adds fibers, which I did not. Let me see. What did I do with them? I did not make a tassel this time, which is very unusual. I'm very selfish with her fibers she sends. I hang on to them and I make a tassel every time because they're so gorgeous. And this time I didn't, but I don't know where I put them to show you. But it's a bag. I mean, it's a bag full of matching, coordinating, different types of fibers. Let's see, just some more little tags and things. Some little tickets. This is this fussy cut out of a book on plants. And this page right here was just, oh, what's it called? Hinged. I came unhinged. But my page, I just hinged it on so you can, you know, have more room. And this cute little thing, it's kind of like a itty bitty folio-esque thing. It's got a butterfly here holding it shut. And there's pockets here with the little tags, and then a tag behind, I mean, not a tag, a pocket behind this, which I thought was cute. Okay. Just a little booklet. I love that. Little glassine bag with some, isn't that pretty? Just love it. A little cluster here, and just fun little things from the other kit that just went so well with it. And the there's 2 postcards that came in the kit. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got lines on the back, share a memory. A piece of wallpaper. Just put some paper on the back, because I mean, this stuff is one of those that if you fold it, it just cracks all the way across. So, but it's so pretty, so I just put it on paper, so maybe it will do as a you know, tag, journaling card or something. And this was so pretty. Just has a piece of stationery in it. Just thought it was lovely. So, what's going on where you are? It's about 1,000 degrees here. I'm in Texas, and I am too hot to even function. Here's the other postcard, and then I put some cut down a glassine bag and put in here. And then these are some pages from the, isn't that pretty? I mean, it just looks like somebody's diary. Anyway, lots of sketching space or writing space or whatever. And here I wrote her a love note. Questions for garden lovers. A bunch of questions that if she wanted to, she could answer in here. She may or may not. I don't really know. Oops. Okay. Alright. Well, that is it for me. So I wanted to just show you this, and I'll link the stuff and you can go take a look. Sometimes she has some left, sometimes she doesn't. Sometimes she has the books but not the kit, or vice versa. So go take a look and see what you can find over there. There's all kinds of fabulous stuff in her shop. So alright, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will talk to you soon.